Man, holy cow! What's going on, everybody out there? Yeah, I can see Don and Ron and Mark and Sue. Yeah, hey, what's your name? Wilma in the background, and Fred Flintstone and Barney Rubble, and I see Mickey Mouse. Oh, yeah, they're hanging all out there. How is everybody in the background? I only came here for 1 minute, okay? I wanted to count up that the word Zeus, if I can collect, this is number 26. Okay, now I'm doing this, okay, only in one number, okay? 26, okay, is 8. 5 is 5. 21 is 3. S is 10. But in Baccarat, this would count for 0. All 19s would count for 0. All S's would count for 0. And many S's that are used is because it's a plural. When you say Zeus, if you really think of it, in French you would say game. Or it would say Dr. Seuss, okay? And then you have to understand Dr. Seuss. But this total of 8 and 5 is 13, and 3 is 16, and 10 is 26, and 4 and 4. Look at that, finishes with 44, Zeus, okay? Equals to 8. That total is 34. O-N-E totals 34. N-E-O for Neo Anderson, for Enzo, does not equal to the same thing, but the letters are the same thing. Enzo, let me just write this down. Enzo is 15, 29, 39, 49, 55. Enzo is 60. So Enzo is the color of the sun. So anyways, before we were talking about high bear 8, crossover, connection, transmission, okay? If we count from 1 to 14, we get 105, the hand of God. We have 4 suits, we get 420. If we use 3 suits, okay, because one suit has to be an alternative suit in order to move over the transmission, right? If there's a transmission, there's got to be a suit that you can transform with. Call it the diamond, and inside the diamond put the cross, just like the kite. And the shape of the kite is actually that of Brazil in their flag. So you have 315 and 105, the hand of God inside the ace, inside the cat. Why is it the cat? Because the 2 and 4 is the cat. Okay. At the same time, the 3rd, 1st, and 5th letter on your keyboard will say CAT. At the same time, this says ACE, all saying ace cat off your keyboard and off the numbers. And in the alphabet, if I remember correctly, a 351 appeared twice together at a final fixture. Okay. The number of this is 420. 315. Now, what do we do at 420? Forget about this. This 0. When you put a dot in the center, that dot says, I am the center 5. I am the one spirit to the totality that is around me. 34 is the totality that is within. It becomes 426. Okay? When I put 426 in Mars, the 42 lives because it's what's in the mind. 4 and 6 comes together. 4 times 6, 4 plus 6 equals to 34. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 and 8 is 14. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 times 2 is 12. 20, 14. Earth and Mars come together through the hand of God. The dog and the cat, ace. That ring up again, the hand of God. In the hand of Zeus comes the same Z and H. 8 and 8. Brings in the 7th gate. This is what I came back and I was very excited to see this 2014. Inside 68, we would have to have 48. 48 Super Bowl, time and space. 48 or 84 is Pluto, and 4 and 8 is Neptune and Mars. 6 and 4 again is to bring back 2 worlds of X and X. One is within the Romans, X worth value is 10, and the other one is the 24th letter in the alphabet. 3 and 4, Earth and Mars, and also creates the connection number to the sun. Why? 3 times 4 is 12. 3 plus 4 is 7 equals 19. 19 times 3 is 57. Plus 10 is 67. The spirit is 76. Comes inside the connection of the moon. This 0 is 0. It becomes the T letter. 0 becomes 6, becomes 26. They become the same number again. These two numbers reflect itself. This will be the letter Z. Yes, so this would be 26. So 2 times 6 is 12. 2 plus 6 is 8, back to 20. So it's just a Z rotation for Zeus. This is D and F. This is T, D. When you have T and D together, what it actually does, it says 10-10 in the French world and the other one in the English world. Why is it different? Because one is, I'm presuming, is on an angle, the other one is flat, showing the differences. So in a flat world, we can have a 34. In a square world, we can have a 34. We can have two sets of the same 34, but in different worlds. So we saw what this put together. This puts together the 19 and the 20, equaling to the 39 S and T for the spirit of transmission. This is the cross, and this is the one of 64. 42, 24 is the cat, 26 is the dog. What brings together, we're having to look again. This is what brought together 6 and 8. Okay, 28 becomes man time, time heaven, T and H, BTH, beta time heaven. Okay, that's what puts together, and this is on the cross. The cross over the plus sign. This is the plus, this is the cross over the plus sign. 3 and 4 is in a 7. This would be 2, 7, 5, 7. 2, 7, 5, 7. And I'm not sure, but the actual end date in the last calendar was this. Now, I'm not sure. It could be 27 red. Red moon. This says red moon. If it's saying red moon, where would it be? What would be those numbers? 52 says earth. 77 says earth of the Christ. Earth of the Christ, Jack. Jack is 25. Earth is 52. Okay, heart is 52. 77 is Christ. Christ of the heart, Jack. That's what this would say. He's a high, and he's a blackjack of hibernation, hiding a little bit in every single one of us. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I want to thank you for watching this video, and a nice little parking meter ticket just to zoom up for my numbers. Thank you for watching this video.